From the large front porch to the soaring front foyer, the Oxford by Cardel provides a warm welcome. A dining room at the front of the home is connected to the kitchen through a convenient walk-through butler's pantry. An optional coffered ceiling in the dining room adds an atmosphere of elegance and warmth. The open kitchen has loads of cabinet space, as well as a walk-in pantry. A large island with a built-in sink is a natural gathering spot for chatting while preparing meals. On the other side of the island is a nook featuring large patio doors and optional windows that add more light and beautiful detail. From the island, you can see the great room that features a cathedral ceiling, towering 2-story windows, and a beautiful fireplace. Tucked beside the family room is a bright den and powder room that can be converted to a bedroom with a full bath. A mudroom rounds out the main level of the Oxford, providing additional closet space and direct access to the 2-car garage. Extra wide and deep stairs, a notable Cardel design difference, lead to the second-floor landing and its views of the great room and front foyer. A private master bedroom with ensuite takes up one full side of the house and is separated from the secondary bedrooms for enhanced privacy. A short hallway off the master is flanked by his and her walk-in closets, leading to a spa-like retreat that offers separate vanities, Cardel's standard 10 ml glass shower, private water closet, and luxurious soaker tub. 2 additional second-floor bedrooms feature large windows and walk-in closets. And are separated by a divided full bathroom that allows one person to brush their teeth while another takes a shower in privacy. An optional laundry room on the second floor of this model home provides added convenience. Cardel's Oxford single-family home is available in these popular Ottawa area communities.